We are here onto a Hyundai service center wherein we are doing an application onto a mezzanine floor, right, which has been done fabrication of 2 feet by 2 feet with metal rods, right, on which 20 mm of ply is being fixed, right, screwed inside, which does not allow the movement on the floor, mezzanine floor, right. So now the client wanted here the area to be tiled or by 2 feet by 2 feet tile which we wanted to lay over to this floor, right. Because of the movement of the floor, which is the tiling was not possible, right. So what we have done here, first of all I'll show you what is the size of the framing being done and what is the thickness of the ply, right. So we see here that there is 2 feet by 2 feet framing which is being done, right, and onto which 20 mm thick ply is being nailed, right. So it is being nailed every 1.5 feet, which does not allow the movement to happen, right. So now we have started the flooring, right, with so now we are what we are doing, because it is a wooden floor, cement based adhesive will not bond over to it, right. So what we have technically specified here is we have suggested Keragrip. Keragrip is an adhesion promoter which will increase the adhesion, which will let the adhesion of a cement based adhesive onto wooden flooring, right. When it is tacky, a little bit dry, a little bit wet, the adhesive H40 no limit, which is a deformable adhesive, right, which has a deformability which can sustain 2 to 2.5 mm of deformation of the wooden floor, right. It is mixed with latex, top latex, 1 liter we have suggested because client was a little conscious about the costing. So we have suggested only 1 liter of latex with 1 bag of 25 kg core, and we are doing, right, with top latex we are mixing H40 no limit and we are doing the flooring. Now I will take you to the completed work which is being done following this method of application. This is the way it is being done, right. Keragrip is applied, which is pink, a little pink in color, right. After 2 to 3 hours, when it is dried out a little, which is tacky in nature, right, we are doing an application of H40 no limit with latex, and we have fixed approximately 7 to 800 square feet of flooring. Till now, the project size is approximately 8 to 9,000 square feet, which will be completing within a span of a week, right. So now I'll take you a little inside onto the finished work which we have done, and you can have a look, right, that there is no hollow sounding inside, right. So when we see, right, we have tried to remove a few tiles which we could not take we could not take off the full of tile, right. So we have done some application, and you could see we have finished so much of project here, and now if required more, I'll let you know into my next video. For now, this is an application of a mezzanine floor on which we have fixed 2 feet by 2 feet tile onto a wooden plank which is 20 mm thick, wooden ply which is 20 mm thick, which is nailed into the fabrication of metal, right, and this is what is the result we have got, right. We are hopeful, right, to do more such projects. Thank you.